Okay, so here we have the jet boat, and Archer's going to drive it. It is waterproof, and I sealed it up with a little bit of silicone, with a little bit of Vaseline maybe. But here you go. So you can throw it in the water.
Just throw it in there.
You can bring it over here. Ooh. This thing zips, don't it? There, bring it close. Can you bring it up on the land? See how fast you straight to the land. See how far you can get. Hey, good landing. So what do you think of it?
I like it.
It's pretty cool.
Pretty cool. And easy to drive. All you have to learn is the controls on the